So this is the Lamborghini Revuelto by Maisto. Every year they introduce newer cars, and every year I always get mine at Costco because they're like 20 bucks each. And a model somewhat similar to this would be like 50, 60 bucks on Amazon, which with the same amount I can get like 3 or 4 cars at Costco. And I'm going to be opening this one and just showcasing, what it looks like and everything. So mine does have a couple of dents in it. Not every box is perfect, and usually I go for the damaged boxes at Costco, mainly because I know I'm going to be opening them or just keeping them in the boxes. But since I'm not usually in this to resell, it doesn't matter to me what the condition of the box is in, as long as it's not opened, so where stuff can get inside of it. So just gonna open it. So you could just remove the backdrop, if you want it, you don't want it. And it comes on its own plastic stand, which I usually remove, but I keep the boxes and I keep the stands just in case I change my mind on it later. And I've seen that these newer ones come with this almost like a knife to open the doors and the hood and everything like that, just so you're not, like, in case you have like long nails, you're not damaging it, and it's easy to do. And this is what it looks like out of the package. Just something to help you open it. Now let's take, so there's usually a rubber band at the front to hold the hood down. Nothing too bad. And another one, or this be the trunk, but the front, and then one to hold the actual hood down. And yeah, and then you can get this and open it. Actually, I don't think that one opens. Now, this does. And something cool in these newer ones is that the spoiler can go up, and just like that, the spoiler's up. It seems to be made out of plastic, so if you do get it up, be a little careful with it so it doesn't break and get any damage. And if you want to close it, just push it down. And the front, nothing amazing there, just a simple mold, probably realistic space. Some nice glass, your sensors, and now time to remove the plastic strip. So this is the car without the rubber band or the plastic strip to hold it down, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Probably hard to get it on camera, but a nice orange interior. Not my favorite, but to each their own. I did like the yellow. I do have 2 other ones, one in orange and one in a green. I've opened the orange one, and we'll do a short on that maybe today. I'm pretty sure it shares the same interior. Wouldn't be surprised. And I got another one because with the orange and green, they had black rims, and I really liked how this one had chrome, or what's supposed to be chrome rims. There's a nice little difference on it. All the wheels move. this door opens, the trunk opens, the not the entire hood, but this carbon fiber piece opens as well to show off the engine bay. Get it focused. And yeah, and not bad of a model at all. You can't go wrong with Maisto. If you want something like if you want a display piece for your shelf, for your desk, for anything like that, you can't go wrong with Maisto or Burago. They're really cheap, and they give out pretty well made cars for the money. Like how I said, I get mine from Costco. That's usually why I think the deal is the best, and it usually happens around Christmas time as well. I could do a video on that next time it comes around, because there's usually a good amount of cars, more than one of them, just in case you have more than one kid you want to give them out, you want to give to, and in case you don't want them to fight, just write their name on the bottom, so you know whose is who. You can't go wrong with them, and it's usually, I get these for under 20 bucks a car, which is not bad at all, because every single time I go, I think I spend almost like $100. And one year I spent a good amount, to the point where I took one of those mini shelves as well, because I took one of the mini shelves as well because I just needed the space for it. And right there on it might be hard to see since it reflects, but Lamborghini Revuelto, scale 1/18, Maisto, made in China, and their website, as well with details in it too. Now, if you do want to take it apart, maybe to paint it yourself or to do whatever, there's screws here, here, and here, two here as well, but these ones are more deeper in. So, not bad of a car at all. You can't go wrong with Maisto. They're always simple, they're always cheap, and they're pretty good for your money. Not bad of a paint job. It's a really great car. So this is the 1/18 Lamborghini Revuelto in the yellow with the chrome rims. I'm not sure if there's any other yellow with black rims or whatever color, but this is the yellow with chrome and the orange interior. So you have all the doors that open, the spoiler can even go up too. The wheels spin, so if you get this for your kid and they like to play with their cars, it could work really well, outside, inside, as long as the wheels don't get too gunked up. A pretty good car overall. Nothing too bad about it. It's pretty great, and there's not much else I could say about it. So that's the end.